Some frequently asked questions regarding codified versus uncodified statutes. The first question is, what are codified statutes? Essentially, codified laws are those that are contained in the codes for the state of California. How many codes are there in this state? We have 29 codes in California, beginning with the Business and Professions Code and ending with the Welfare and Institutions Code, with, of course, 27 other codes in between. What are uncodified laws? As a general rule, uncodified laws are those that originate from court decisions called common law, as well as general customs and practices. They're not viewed as being permanent in nature, and they're usually of a specific rather than a general nature. What are uncodified statutes? These are laws that are enacted that are not placed in one of those 29 codes, and therefore they're not codified. That is, they remain uncodified. The biggest example of an uncodified statute is the annual state budget bill. Where are uncodified statutes found? Uncodified laws are sometimes more difficult to locate. For example, a researcher may need to review the California statutes and amendments to the codes in order to find uncodified laws from a particular legislative session in California. How does this state compile all of its enacted statutes? They're found in the California Statutes and Amendments to the Code, which is a permanent record of all the statutes enacted by the California State Legislature. The first version was published in 1850. Today, the Office of Legislative Counsel continues to compile and publish these volumes annually. And what is contained in the California Statutes and Amendments to the Code volumes? The laws are published in chronological order, and the annual volumes include constitutional amendments, approved voter initiatives, referenda, and the summary digest of all bills enacted. In addition, statutes and amendments to the codes includes a table of code sections affected, vetoed bills, and cross-reference tables from bill number to chapter number. There's also a subject index for each legislative session.